Hello, Van Fam. Okay, we're going to take a look at some really cool vans here at the dealer showcase here in Elkhart, Indiana. And we're going to see some things that you might remember, some things that might bring back some nostalgia, and some new innovations that's happening in van life today. So let's go check it out.
So this is our all-new side entry B-plus motorhome called the Concourse. Years past, Chinook RV has built all rear door motorhomes where you go in the back, but we are known as extremely high quality. And what we wanted to do is, just like 99% of everybody else building a side door, we wanted to bring that same quality but into from the side. That way those folks who want the side door but high quality, they now have it. So it's still the metal sidewalls, metal roof. We're the only motorhome in the B plus Class C category with a full metal roof. It's a full body paint. This is a burgundy with a silver stripe is what we call it. We're gonna have 5 different paint options with it so you can get a little more personalized. Inside, this is a very open concept floor plan. So you have a front kitchen. In the front kitchen, you have an optional front versatile area where this is extra cooking space, or this all opens up, this chair comes out, and this is a desk for those who might work on the road. Back here, you have 2 twin beds that double as couches, and they also incline up so you can watch TV during the day but relax. And then back here you have a full rear bath, and what's special about this bathroom, this is a full solid surface shower. And it's a corner shower, so it's very easy for bigger and smaller folks to get in and out of. And then over here would be your toilet.
Very important.
Yes. Now a few features that you don't see on here is this is a 4 Seasons certified motorhome. So we can go all year round, tested and true, down to 5 degrees. Our energy system is 900 amp hours of lithium battery by X Beyond 360. We also use all Victron equipment, which is top of the line 3000 watt inverter, solar charger components by Victron, and 600 watts of solar on the roof. We also have ducted air conditioner by Truma, Aventa, and then the heat is the Timberline Heat and on-demand hot water system, which is propane free. So this is all diesel or electric.
Quick question.
Yeah.
MSRP on this would be?
MSRP is about $291.
$291. And these are currently on the market, or they're coming on the market?
They're coming on the market. This is the first prototype. We have 2 in production. If you don't know our build rates, we build about 2 motorhomes a week, extremely high quality, low quantities. We have 2 available before the end of the year.
Can you show me how the desk works one more time?
Absolutely. So this is going to open up. Take your chair. This side is open for feet, so you can scoot in if you want to. This is some extra storage space, and then you can slide up. You put your laptop here. This can be an extra modern desktop if you want to put a desktop computer here. And this is very versatile. And then when you're cooking, or want to use it for a bar or something along those lines, you just close it all up. This will go back here, and then now it's extra space for cooking or whatever you may want to do. We split these apart. In years past, we did 1 big piece here. Now we have 2 smaller ones, and we are covering the induction cooktop. So again, you can use this space however you want during the day when you're not cooking. The Concourse is going to have everything, including the side door. I think when we released the rear door with all of these same quality points, everybody wanted that same quality, but maybe the rear door didn't work for them personally. They wanted the side door if they're towing bikes, things like that. It's not that you can't use those things on the side, on the rear door, but they're much easier in here with the side door.
Well, the vision for Chinook has been, since I bought the company in 2012, was to reintroduce a product that had better qualities, like look, but a better look and a better quality interior and fit and finish, and just modernizing the Chinook brand all in all. You know, Chinook we're not a mass manufacturer, so we don't build lots of, you know, we're not building 2,000, 3,000, 4,000 units a year. It's a handcrafted piece of art. This type of manufacturing is not standard. So we're a small manufacturer. We'll probably build 150, 200 units a year. I have a great insight on the products that are desired by people out there, because I've been around in the industry for quite some time. Our clientele is, you know, generally 55 to 90 years old. They're coming out of a quality Class A motorhome. They're used to the RV lifestyle, but they find they get too big, but yet they still want an RV and have that quality feel of a big motorhome. And that's kind of what we try to do. So right now we build three different models: a Concourse, a Maverick, and the Summit in the wide body, the B Plus product. And then in the van styles, we build about 4 floor plans in those. I see you know, with the technologies and all the stuff that are changing now, we've evolved from, you know, gasoline generators and propane and all that stuff, so now we're full electric, all lithium, diesel burning, hydro hots if you want, to where you can have endless water. You got batteries, solar panels, and really kind of a crossbreed, if you will, of a regular traditional motorhome and off-grid. So we try to meet that in the middle. I'm not interested in being the off-grid adventure motorhome, but I want a motorhome that can be used as such, and leave that industry to where it's at. And we're that off-road, off-grid type motorhome with the high-end luxuries, and that's kind of what I see. And it's becoming more popular now. It took a while to get the popularity going, and now that we're going to start really turning up the marketing and stuff like that, and our dealer network is expanding, you're going to see more and more of them on the road.
Okay, so I love Chinook RVs. They're quality, they're fantastic. These vans are really cool. Now, they also have a Bayside that's a transit that has a nice plan like that. But as far as like the quality and the fact that they're 4-season, really can't beat them, guys. Take a look. I'm gonna leave a link in the description below. Let me know what you think.